So let us solve this fifth problem of our topic about rate problems in algebra. So the problem says Judel and Johanna living in the same house and work at the same office building. One morning, Judel left home at 8. Johanna left 5 minutes later. Each drive her own car and arrived at their common destination at 8:50. Judel drove at an average speed of 45 miles per hour. What was Johanna's average speed to the nearest mile per hour? Okay, so that's the problem. And similar to other problems that we have solved, the best technique is to tabulate the information that we can gather from the problem to help us figure out how are we going to solve the problem. Okay, so this time we can use the 3x4 table for our solution. So this is our 3 rows and this is our 4 columns. So I call this 3x4 table. So write the information, the distance, the rate, and the time. And let us write down the name of the people involved in this problem or mentioned in this problem. We have Judel and we have Johanna. Okay, then let's read the problem once more and then find out what are the givens. It says Judel and Johanna living in the same house and work at the same office building. One morning, Judel left home at 8. Johanna left 5 minutes later. Each drive her own car and arrive at their common destination at 8:50. So it means if Judel leave at 8 and arrives at 8:50, so it means that it took her 50 minutes. Okay, so the time for Judel is 50 minutes to arrive to her office building. And then it says Johanna left 5 minutes later, but it says here that they arrived at their common destination at 8:50. So it means that they arrived at the same time. Okay, so since Johanna left 5 minutes later after Judel, so it means that it took her only 45 minutes. So that's the time for Johanna. It took Johanna 45 minutes to reach her office building, same as Judel's office building. Okay, and then we were given Judel drove at average speed of 45 miles per hour. So Judel's rate is given 45 miles per hour. Then the question is, what was Johanna's average speed? Okay, what was Johanna's average speed? So our answer must be to the nearest mile per hour. So we are asked to solve for Johanna's speed or rate. Okay, so it's very easy. The first thing that we need to do here is to fill up this table. And we know that these values are just the same because they are on the same house and they are working at the same office building. So it means that they have a common distance. So their distance is the same. So from this given rate and time, we can calculate the distance. All right, so we have the formula, the basic formula that the distance is equal to rate times time. Okay, substituting the given, we have the rate, which is 45 miles per hour. So let us write it this way. miles per hour. Then multiplied by the given time, that is 50 minutes. So 50 minutes. Alright, so let us make the unit consistent with the other given. So let us multiply this by, we have 1 hour. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay, so we have on the left side distance, so we can expect that our unit must be in terms of miles. Okay, so we have our minutes here at the denominator, cancels with the minute at the denominator. We have hour at the numerator, cancels out with the hour at the denominator. Then multiply. So we have 45 times 50 equals, then divide this by 60. So we get 75 divided by 2, or this is 37.5. Okay, so this is 37.5 miles, or simply MI. So it means that this distance here for Judel is 37.5 miles, or simply MI. So since they're living in the same house and working at the same office building, so their distances are just the same. So this is also 37.5 miles. So we can now solve easily what is required in this problem, which is the average speed for Johanna. Okay, so again, from the formula, that the distance equal to rate times time, we can also write this as rate times time equals distance. Now, since we need to solve for the rate r, so let us divide both sides by t. So divide this by t on the left side, the right side divide this also by t. Okay, so t at the numerator cancels out with the t at the denominator. So on the left side, we have only r, and then we have d on the right side divided by t. Then substituting the information here, we have the distance, which is 37.5. Okay, 37.5. Divide this by t, which is for Judel, it is 45 minutes. Okay, so the unit here is in minutes. The unit here is in miles. Okay, so let's multiply this by, there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. Okay, so we have minutes at the numerator, minutes at the denominator, cancels out. So what is left is miles and denominator hour, so miles per hour. So rate for Johanna is simply, so let's calculate. We have 37. So 37.5 multiplied by 60 equals, then divide this by 45. So equals, so 50. So the result is 50. Okay, so this is 50 miles per hour, or simply R equal to 50 mph. So we are asked, okay, so we are asked here, what was Johanna's average speed? So we have to answer that question. So therefore Johanna's average speed to the nearest mile per hour is 50 mph. So this is our final answer. Okay, so I hope you have followed our explanation, and if you have any questions or any comments, just leave it in the comment section. Thank you very much.